कभी ऐसा होता है ना, you pick a book thinking this one's gonna change my life, और शुरू के 100 पेजेस तक you are like wow, मैं तो ऑक्सफोर्ड की लाइब्रेरी स्वाइप फील कर रही हूँ, and boom, halfway through the book starts ghosting you emotionally. Yeah, that was Babel for me. एकदम से सारा academic जज्बा oof, gone forever. But you know what? I still don't regret reading it. Because Babel is that rare kind of fantasy जो सिर्फ दुनिया नहीं बनाता. It questions power, language और colonialism के नाम पे जो कुछ हुआ, तो सबको एक नई नजर से दिखाता है. So, Babel or the necessity of violence. हाँ, full name बोलना जरूरी था, नहीं तो author बुरा मान जाता. So, it is written by R. Kwon, the same author who wrote the Poppywood trilogy. Yes. Honestly, she doesn't just write stories, she writes full-blown emotional dissertations. स्टोरी स्टार्ट होती 1828 में विथ रॉबिन स्विफ्ट, एक ऑर्फन फ्रॉम कैंटन चाइना, जिसको एक ऑक्सफोर्ड प्रोफेसर उठा के लंदन को ले लेकर जाते हैं, जिनका नाम है प्रोफेसर रॉबिन, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट ऑल गुड कॉलोनाइजर्स डू, राइट? Robin is trained in languages, or eventually he joins Babel. Babel is Oxford's Royal Institute of Translation, जहाँ पर magic takes place. So वहाँ पर language से magic होती है, which is known as silver working, where every word, every lost translation becomes power. It's genius, it's clever, and it basically, what if linguistics could colonize the world? And then obviously revolution होती, because empires plus magic is equals to chaos. Honestly, first half though chef kiss था. I loved the first half. Concept was brilliant. Magic system pretty unique. Dark academia setting, oof, like top notch. The Oxford train और Latin phrases का combo like a match made in heaven. और मुझे सबसे ज्यादा मजा आया उसके footnotes में. Imagine academic gossip footnotes that teach you etymology and colonial shade at the same time. R.F. Khan literally made linguistics beautiful and interesting for 400 pages. And also, I loved how she showed language is powerful, because bhai, language is powerful. पहले हाफ के बाद Babel starts feeling like that one friend who lectures you about literally every single thing. Like, yes, I get it. Colonialism, bad. Empire, evil. But मुझे थोड़ा character development चाहिए था. I wanted the character arc. I wanted the characters to improve, to learn something in their life. Plot predictable लगने लगा था. Characters felt flat, like one dimensional. मैं चाह रही थी थोड़ा सा messy हो, थोड़ा emotion, थोड़ा unpredictability. But honestly, कुछ chapters they felt so slow. I think if Kwon ने थोड़ा pace tight किया होता, like minus 100 pages, if you have just removed 10 pages, 100 sorry, if you have just removed 100 pages और characters को थोड़ा ज़्यादा human बनाते, तो शायद this could have been a masterpiece. Because जब theme इतना powerful हो, तो story telling भी तो उतनी ही dynamic होनी चाहिए, right? कभी कभी लगता था कि बुक अपनी brilliance में खो गई है, like it's lost in its own cleverness. So final rating is 3 out of 5 stars. देखो, ये book smart थी, like I wear glasses and quote Latin for fun. Kind of smart, but not everyone, but that's not for everyone, right? So if you are into slow burn academic, politics or थोड़ा existential crisis, you will love this book. You will love this book. लेकिन आपको अगर चाहिए फास्ट प्लॉट, इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर या फैंटेसी जिसमें थोड़ा दिल थोड़ा दिमाग हो, तो देन दिस इज नॉट फॉर यू. ये बुक उन लोगों के लिए है जो नोट्स बनाते हैं while they are reading. You know who you are, right? Also, I know it's been a while since I have posted a long form video. October was basically Inktober for me, and like eventually I did give up on Inktober, but 29 days I sticked. Yeah, I was there for 29 days. 29 days, 29 drawings, and zero sleep, and zero sleep. So, but I'm back here with ink-stained hands and renewed book energy. So, inshallah, I will try to be more present over here and upload more videos. Inshallah, I will try, but no promises yet. Inshallah, I will try my best. So tell me in the comments below if you have read Babel yet. आपको वो कैसी दिखी थी? Did you feel the same like I did, like it gone off script after some time, or did you really enjoy it? And just me, the problem is with me. And the best part of this book was it is a no spice book, and if you're also someone who likes no spice book, then I have a video on my channel where I recommend no spice books which you can check out, because कभी कभी हमें बस अच्छी राइटिंग चाहिए होता है बिना ब्लश इमोजीज के. So yeah, happy reading and see you in the next one.